In this video, I'll show you how to create a broadcast list on WhatsApp. This feature allows you to send the same message to multiple people, and it will appear as a normal private chat for each person. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Now, tap on Broadcast Lists. Next, tap on the plus icon at the bottom right. You'll now see your contact list. Select the contacts you want to add. You can add up to 256 people in one broadcast. You can also use the search bar at the top to find contacts quickly. Once you've selected everyone, tap on the tick icon. Your broadcast list will now be created. To send a message, simply open the broadcast list and type your message. Each person will receive it as a normal chat message. And that's it. That's how you create and use a broadcast list on WhatsApp. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.